For this video, we're going to turn this playground slide into a 1 million Orbeez water slide. The first thing we're going to do is remove the old boards from the top part of the slide. Next, we're going to make rungs for the ladder. Zach, that's enough. Zach. Next, we'll extend the legs on the front of the slide to make it much taller. I've already widened the ladder with these. Now I'm going to add some beams for added support. This one calls for the sledgehammer. I've got the legs attached. Tomorrow we'll try to tip it up and see if it stands.
How do we tip it up and attach the slide? That's how
We're now going to attach the slide.
Okay, now we're gonna...
Tell me where it's going to go.
Right in the middle. Okay.
You're going to just back it up very
lot?
far. Yeah. Oh my goodness. That is quite the drop. I'm going to drop into the floor.
Okay,
Yes.
so now we're going to test it out.
That's gonna be so good.
We're going to set up the pool by laying down a tarp, filling up the rim, and filling it up with water. And now we're going to fill the pool with 1 million Orbeez. I'm now going to work on a slide dispenser for the Orbeez. Looks like it might actually be better to dump them from the roof to the slide to the pool. You can see that the Orbeez are growing nicely. Looks like it is ready to go. We now need to test the Orbeez coming down the slide to make sure they don't fly all over. The idea is to fill these buckets of Orbeez. Put them in a container up top so that we can scoop out Orbeez to dump down the slide.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, Alyson, is this purple or blue? They're like purplish blue.
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Awesome.
All right, here we go. Let's give it a try.
Here they go.
good.
How did you do a big splash?
Alright.
Trying to swim in Orbeez does not work. Confirmed.
Here they go. How'd we do?
Can we go in? Did you get slow-mo of that?
Yeah, I'm trying to. Ooh, nice one.
I'm splashing you with it. Here, bud. Here, come here. Oh, okay, that's good.
That was good.
Get that up just a little bit. So we need to slide it. Yep, we need to slide it back. So we're going to put this in. Big rubber stuff. Big rubber stuff.